Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make an easy cheese sauce on camp? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and this year, spice up your scouting, do something different, and click subscribe. We're nearly at 1,000 videos, and we're nearly at 10,000 subscribers. So come on, help us out. It's free, and it means that you get activities, games, you name it. Our back catalogue of videos is there for the taking. So go on, help us out, and be a part of Scoutadelic. This month I met Anita, virtually of course, and she taught me some really cool things that you just need with some flour, some cheese, some milk, basically, and pasta, basically things that you already have on camp, and it's a really fun way of cooking a meal that, as she says, fills up the scouts very easily. So here's how she did it. I'm in my kitchen and I'm facing my cooker, so I sense this, that you're going to teach me a scouting skill that involves cooking. So
Absolutely.
What are you going to teach me and everyone else?
I'm going to teach you how to make a cheese sauce from scratch instead of having it out of a packet.
I hate to say it as well, it's the first time I've probably made my own sauce.
Oh, right.
So
Yeah. You know, when you're scouting, you always have flour on camp, you always have butter on camp,
Yep.
you always have pasta on camp, and you always have milk on camp.
Yep.
So it's a good way of filling the children, and it's cheap to make.
What do I need? What are the things that people are going to need?
Right, so we need one saucepan.
Oh,
Check.
Thank you.
One balloon whisk. Can you just take the cobwebs off that? Excellent. Real butter. Has to be real butter. I always use salted. Excellent. Couldn't find Kerrygold, no? Yeah, good Irish butter. Okay.
In England, no.
Flour. Milk.
Milk?
I'd use a little bit of a vegetable stock cube.
Yep.
I don't measure anything. It's pretty old cheese. Yes, of course. The main ingredients.
We're doing a cheese sauce, so I need flour, milk, vegetable stock, butter, a whisk, and a pan. Cheese, optional.
Yeah. Right, so turn on the gas there and stick the pot on it. What you want to do then is put some butter in it.
Butter, how much butter do I need?
About an inch. I don't measure anything. I just...
Oh, do you? Okay.
No,
so I need
a quarter of that.
And I just shove it all in?
Just put it in the pot on a low heat to melt. Do you know what we're after? Excellent. Do you know what we're after forgetting? The most important thing?
Which is?
Wash your hands.
Good point. I did wash them beforehand, but I'll wash them now.
Put it on a low heat to melt, yeah?
On low heat, and it is definitely melting, so yeah.
Yeah.
Got that, yeah.
Right, so get your flour. So what we want to do is add the flour to the butter until it looks like breadcrumbs. Do you know what I mean? So just put a little bit in at a time. Don't like heap it all in it.
Or maybe half a cup?
So put half a cup in and get your whisk. Put a little bit in and whisk it in.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go. That looks like the old jars you used to get sweets in.
Yes, my mum sort of gave them to me, so yeah.
Excellent. So keep adding your flour then until
Looks
the flour is absorbed by the butter and it ends up a bit looking like a dough. Very good. Perfect.
Really? Oh.
Yeah. So,
I'm using that as a soundbite to say that I'm really perfect. Yep.
And then get your milk and slowly add the milk and keep whisking it.
Okay. Just wait. So you're asking a man to multitask, pouring the milk and whisking at the same time?
While you're videoing and talking to me, you know, there's a first for everything.
I know, right? At least we've got it on camera.
At least, listen, we're scout leaders. You can't be a scout leader unless you can multitask.
True.
Yeah.
I just delegate. Right, okay.
Kind of a good manager.
I know, right?
When you mix it all so all the lumps from the flour is gone, has dissolved in the milk, yeah?
Yeah.
Keep it low, but keep whisking it. And what happens is the flour is going to cook and thicken the milk.
Right, okay. It looks like, I hate to say this, well, it might be right, mashed potato?
Add more milk.
Add more.
How are you getting on? Is it cooking? Is it thickening up?
I think so. It looks.
Yeah. Keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah, and then when it gets thick, then crumble in about half an OXO cube.
Right, okay.
I don't use salt. I use a little bit of the vegetable stock to give it a little flavour.
Right, okay. So only half of it, yeah?
Yeah, or even, yeah, just a little bit.
Okay. And then I'm guessing mixing it in?
Very good. Top of the class there now, Mike.
What, class of what?
Class of one, yeah. Told you. Special.
Thank you.
There you go. That should do it now. You have your grated cheese ready?
I have my grated cheese ready.
Excellent. Right, just add a little bit of cheese in and whisk it till it melts. Yeah, that should do.
Yep.
And then, like, it's all down to personal taste how strong you want it.
Right, okay.
Because you want it like the consistency of a gravy, because you're going to pour the pasta into it.
Right, oh, right, okay. I see. There we go. I think that's, yeah.
You see? Yeah, just yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
Just a tiny bit more milk, not much.
Okay.
Yeah. Your hard work is starting to show.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Like, it's such an easy sauce to make.
You say that.
It is though. Flour, butter and milk. Right, I know you've already made your pasta.
Yes.
So why don't you you had a big plastic bowl, had you?
Yes.
Yeah, why don't you put the pasta in the bowl and add the cheese sauce?
Okay.
I know. I can never remember with Italian sauces, like when they cook Italian, should you add the pasta to the sauce or the sauce to the pasta? That's enough.
What's that?
Oh. Right, and then just get a metal spoon to fold it in, or a wooden spoon. Ooh. But you know, in Ireland, mothers have wooden spoons not to use in the kitchen. They were a weapon. Yeah.
So this brings back good bad memories.
Oh Jesus, I'd be traumatized. And you could put that in a Pyrex dish and bake it and put cheese on top of it.
Oh right, okay.
And become a pasta bake.
I like that. Right, here we go. Taste test then.
Okay. Even if you don't like it, you know, let on you do.
Yeah, but now the problem is, if I do like it and I do people like, does he like it? You've ruined that. You've ruined that intrigue.
Come on, Mary Berry.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah.
It's so easy to make, and it's better than buying a packet of sauce.
Oh God, yeah. And like you say, Scout leaders will have most of these, if not all of these.
Absolutely, yeah.
On the camp,
and it's good for you know, a budget lunch or a dinner. You can put like ham into it, or you can put a bit of chicken in it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
This is going to be my dinner for tonight then. This is it. Well, thank you.
There you go.
Brilliant. I love that. That's great.
Yeah, oh, good.
If you like that video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it around. Go on. Someone else might need some really cool camping advice. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.